Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're on Social Security, SSDI or SSI, or you're helping a senior household, you'll want to pay very close attention to this. The Federal Reserve has just started printing money, and experts are saying this could directly impact Social Security deposits for millions of Americans. Yes, you heard that right. There could be big, unexpected deposits coming straight to your account soon. But before you get excited, you might be wondering, who will actually get these deposits? How much can you expect? And when will the money hit your bank account? I've read through all the latest Fed announcements, Social Security updates, and expert analysis so you don't have to. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect and what steps you can take now to make sure you're ready. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss breaking Social Security updates. All right, let's dive in. Why this is happening. So why is the Federal Reserve printing money now, and what does that have to do with Social Security? The Fed recently announced a new round of quantitative easing, basically printing money to inject liquidity into the economy. While this is primarily aimed at stabilizing the financial system, there's a ripple effect that could benefit Social Security recipients. Here's how it works. When the Fed prints money, banks have more liquidity, and the federal government can fund programs more easily. Some economists are saying this could mean larger SSDI and SSI deposits in the upcoming months, especially as the Social Security Administration adjusts for inflation and cost of living adjustments, COLA. This isn't just speculation. The SSA, Social Security Administration, regularly updates deposits based on federal funding, inflation, and economic conditions. And right now, all signs point to potentially significant deposits for eligible seniors and beneficiaries. Who will get paid? Now let's talk about eligibility. If you're wondering whether this affects you, here's the breakdown. SSDI beneficiaries, Social Security disability insurance recipients could see increases depending on their current payments and COLA adjustments. SSI recipients, supplemental security income recipients, are also likely to benefit from any increased federal deposits. Seniors on Social Security, this includes retirees who rely on monthly Social Security income. It's important to note, not everyone will see the same amount. Payments depend on your current eligibility, income thresholds, and whether you receive multiple benefits. What this means financially. So, how much can you expect? While exact amounts aren't finalized yet, experts say the Fed's new injection could lead to increased COLA for 2026, meaning SSDI and SSI recipients could see bigger deposits starting this winter. For some households, this could mean hundreds of extra dollars per month, life-changing for families depending on fixed incomes. And here's something interesting. With the Fed pumping money into the economy, inflation is always a concern. But these Social Security adjustments are specifically designed to protect beneficiaries against inflation. So even if prices rise, your benefits are more likely to keep up with the cost of living. Timeline. When will deposits happen? Now let's take a closer look at the timing, because many of you are understandably eager to know exactly when this money could appear in your account. According to the latest guidance from the Social Security Administration, SSA, and insights from financial experts, initial adjustments to SSDI, SSI, and Social Security payments could begin as early as December, particularly for those who already have direct deposits set up with their bank accounts, since this is the fastest way for the SSA to process payments. However, it's important to understand that full adjustments may take several months to be fully implemented, as the SSA carefully verifies eligibility for every recipient, updates payment schedules, ensures compliance with federal regulations, and coordinates with other government agencies to avoid errors or duplicate payments. In addition to standard monthly payments, there is also a possibility of special one-time deposits, which would depend on federal budget allocations and available funding, similar to how previous COVID-19 stimulus checks or dividend payments were issued. So, while the prospect of bigger deposits is exciting, it's crucial not to panic if you don't see the funds immediately. These processes are methodical and take time, but rest assured, this update is officially on the SSA's radar, and millions of beneficiaries are expected to be impacted once everything is fully processed. Here's what you should do right now to be prepared. Check your SSA account. Make sure your personal info is up to date. Verify direct deposit info. This is the fastest way to get payments. Review your benefits eligibility. Make sure all your SSI, SSDI applications are current. Plan your budget. Even small increases can make a difference, so use any additional funds wisely. Avoid scams. The SSA will never ask for fees or private banking info. Be extremely cautious if you get calls, emails, or texts claiming you're about to get extra deposits. Now let's take a step back and look at why this is such significant news. The Federal Reserve's recent actions demonstrate that the government is taking active measures to inject money into the economy, not just as a general stimulus, but with the specific aim of supporting Americans who rely on fixed incomes. Experts from both sides of the political spectrum agree that seniors, SSDI recipients, and SSI beneficiaries are facing increasing financial pressure due to rising living costs, including essentials like housing, utilities, and healthcare. This means that the upcoming adjustments could potentially be one of the largest Social Security updates in years, directly affecting millions of Americans who depend on these programs for their day-to-day survival. Analysts also highlight that the timing of these changes appears to be strategic as they coincide with the winter months, a period when many seniors and beneficiaries face higher expenses due to heating, holiday spending, and other seasonal needs. In essence, this move is not only a reflection of economic policy, but also a targeted effort to provide tangible relief to those who need it most during one of the most financially challenging times of the year. In summary, the Federal Reserve has initiated a new round of money printing, a move that could have a direct impact on Social Security, potentially resulting in significantly larger deposits for SSDI and SSI beneficiaries. Those who are eligible include not only individuals receiving Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, and Supplemental Security Income, SSI, but also seniors who rely on regular Social Security retirement benefits, ensuring a wide range of fixed-income households may benefit from these adjustments. While some initial payments may begin as early as December, it's important to understand that full adjustments could take several months to process due to verification, administrative procedures, and scheduling within the Social Security Administration. These deposits may come in the form of standard monthly benefit increases, cost of living adjustments, SOLA, or even special one-time payments designed to help recipients keep pace with rising living costs. To maximize readiness and ensure you receive any available funds, it is crucial to take practical steps now. Regularly check your SSA account. Confirm that your personal information and direct deposit details are accurate and up to date. Remain vigilant against potential scams targeting seniors, and plan your budget carefully so that any additional payments are used effectively for bills, groceries, and other essential expenses. Now, I really want to hear from you and get your perspective on this important update. Do you think the Federal Reserve's recent move to start printing money will actually lead to larger Social Security, SSDI, and SSI deposits this winter? If so, how do you plan to use the extra funds? Will it help cover essential bills, groceries, heating costs, or holiday expenses for your family? Sharing your thoughts in the comments is crucial because I read every single comment. And your voice can help spark conversation and provide insight for others in the same situation. If this video has helped you better understand what's coming and how these changes could impact you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be among the first to receive any official SSA updates and breaking news as soon as they're announced. Additionally, don't forget to check the links in the description below, where I've compiled a list of valuable resources for seniors and Social Security beneficiaries, including SNAP benefits for groceries, energy assistance programs to help with heating bills, and other government or state programs that can provide immediate relief while you wait for these potential deposits. Staying informed and taking proactive steps now can make a real difference in managing your finances and preparing for what's ahead. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, the money may not arrive immediately, but it's coming, and being prepared is key. Check your Social Security, SSDI, or SSI info, update your direct deposit, and stay alert for official updates. Subscribe, hit the bell, and turn on notifications so you're the first to know when deposits are confirmed. Comment below with your thoughts. Your voice matters. While you wait, check the description for resources like SNAP benefits, energy assistance, and other programs that can help immediately. Stay informed, stay ready, and make sure you're prepared to use this money wisely. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial, legal, or professional advice. Social Security, SSDI, and SSI policies may change at any time. Always verify information with official sources such as the Social Security Administration, SSA, or consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.